Hello students. In this video, we are going to study about tenses. What do we mean by tense? Tense means time. For what do we have time? For different actions, for different activities. These activities in English grammar are called as verbs. So, tense means time, time of any action, which in grammar is called as verb. So now in grammar there are three main tenses, which are present tense, past tense and future tense. I have taken one example for the verb write. Write is the verb for the present tense, for past tense it is wrote, and for future tense it becomes will write. In this video we will discuss in detail about present tense. There are four divisions of present tense, that is simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. First, let us understand simple present. Simple present tense is used for the actions which are repeated or which are our habits. For example, I play golf every week. Then it is used for permanent truths or facts, scientific facts. For example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Next, simple present is used for timetable, like the bus departs at 10. Now, let us understand present continuous tense. Present continuous tense are used to express actions which are occurring right now at the time of speaking. For example, I am explaining tenses. So this action of explaining tenses is going on right now at present, when I am speaking it. The second place where present continuous is used are for temporary actions happening about this time, but they are not happening during the time of speaking, but the process is still on. For example, we are staying here this week. Next, this tense, present continuous, is also used for definite future arrangements, for plans of future which are fixed. For example, he is moving to Delhi next month. Now, let us understand present perfect tense. Present perfect tense are used for activities that were started in past but still continues. For example, we have lived here for more than 10 years. So, we have lived here already. The action of living in that house started in the past and which is still continuing. The next example for the next use of present perfect tense is experience of past, but results are now important. So the action occurred in the past, but its results are now important. For example, she has been to London. So she has been to London in the past, but its effects or its results are still going on. The last, activities that have a present result. The bus hasn't arrived yet. Now let us understand present perfect continuous tense. This tense, present perfect continuous, is used for the events that began in past, that are continuing at present and will continue in future. For example, she has been dancing since she was 6 years old. Next, actions that began in past and that are just finished while speaking or at the time of speaking. For example, he has been working all day. He is so tired. So he has been working all day. His work is just finished at the time of speaking. I hope you are clear with the present tense. In the next video, we shall continue with the past tense and the future tense. Thank you so much.